No matter how bad it gets, we must keep running and fulfill our mission. Reach Dark Enchantress Cookie's stronghold.
A mission or an order?
That's our target, Gingerbrave. We need to capture him alive, so control your powers. Got it?
This old tree fell and blocked the attack!
My head is filled with noise. All this fighting has left me stretched too thin. Dark Enchantress Cookie! If we're just tools to you, then at least fuel our strength.
It hurts. And it stops for a short while. But then the pain always comes back. There's no end. I don't feel so good. Maybe when Gingerbrave is no more, the pain will stop. The hurt. The pain.
Huh?
And Dark Enchantress Cookie's plans will be for nothing!
Enough, Pom-Pom Dough Cookie. She's always watching.
Not bad. Alas, still pitiful.
I am sorry! It's all my fault!
I've been stuck like this since the day I was born. All because of that blasted Dark Enchantress Cookie. Fine. Bring alive? Enough of this nonsense. I'm sick of being exploited. These control devices you use to restrain us, to make us suffer. I've had it!
That insolent Venom Dough Cookie! You dare defy the great master of darkness?
My dough! It hurts!
Pom-Pom Dough Cookie is right. For everything to end, to strike Dark Enchantress Cookie where it hurts most, Gingerbrave must crumble.
Sweet, slumber, freedom! This
Pom-Pom Dough Cookie and Mull Dough Cookie will suffer like this no longer. I don't care about the consequences. I will end things with my own hands!
No evil can stop the determination of the Silver Tree Knights.
Oh, you must be White Lily Cookie's friends. I'm so glad we got here just in time.
White Lily Cookie arrived in the Fairy Kingdom before you. She warned everyone of a great war that is approaching.
We'll follow your group after scouting the area. There could be cookies who need our help.
Okay, thanks! Let's go, gang! Careful out there!
Venom Dough Cookie, are you alright?
I'm fine. Now, We're on our own. But if another monitoring device detects us, she'll torture us again all the same. Let's escape. The three of us. That is our mission now.
Okay.
Hold on a little longer, Pom Pom Dough Cookie. I'll reattach your dough pieces.
I will carry her.
Very well. Let's move.
The three of them looked like they were in a lot of pain. Dark Enchantress Cookie's plans will be for nothing if I disappear? What do they mean by that?
Oh, I see a really big castle over there. That must be it.
All right, the path is clear. Let's run to it as quickly as possible.
Okay.